Well, everybody, we're out here. Made it to the river. Kinda looks miserable out. Because it is. They said it was just gonna snow. But it's snowing and raining. We'll see how it goes. Not gonna lie. It really sucks out here today. That's usually the time you want to go fishing. It seems to be the time that I want to go fishing. Every time I'm like, yeah, we're gonna go fishing. Weather just, it's awful. Oh well. We'll figure it out. At least it's not blowing 40 miles an hour. Tell there was a lot of people out here not too long ago. Let's see if I don't die trying to get down here. Use the sticks. Use the sticks. Cool. Yeah, what did I just say? Oh, we made it down here. That's the hardest part, right? Right. Water looks super clear. I like it. This would be the second trip out using the Steelhead gear. So let's see how that goes. This is where I definitely don't want to fall. Probably break something. I say it was windy, it was cold. I hope you guys can hear that. Maybe you can even hear the snow hitting the GoPro. And the leaves in the trees. Oh. Shit, I do for fishing, man. I tried crossing that before. Not a good idea. Man, this bank looks littered with footsteps. There must have been a good run while I was out sick. Damn it. I don't know if you guys could see that underbank right there. There's ice. Big old like waterfall frozen over there. There's actually ice right here too. I think it's only a couple inches right here. I don't think it's quite ready. Ice fishing season yet. Maybe next week. Let's get in this river. It's low right now. Holy crap. I'm testing if I fixed the hole in my waders. Probably not. We'll see. So, testing out that new Okuma salmon steelhead rod. The new addicted floats and worms. Yeah, it is really come down. Even though I don't catch any fish, I hope you guys enjoy this like little adventure I got going on here. Come on, get over that. Yeah, there you go. Oh man, the wind's really going. Oh, come on. Stuck on this freaking branch. Oh, the water's so clear. I got stuck in the freaking ice in the freaking branch. Don't want to be walking over. Oh, I just stuck my hand in the water. Great. Oh, is that a bobber down? That's strange. Well, I don't think I have a leaky boot anymore, but I sure wore better socks. Why is my float going the other direction? How's it going upstream? It's so weird. Yeah. Yeah. How strange. How very strange. Alright. Let's run the spinner through there. That's not what I wanted to do. I was hoping for like, maybe just like even a follower. I think we hit a stick. Yeah. Come on. That's why I should have just went and got the Siwash hooks. These treble hooks to grab onto everything. I'm gonna lose this spinner. Try not to lose it. My feet are getting cold. There it goes. That fluorocarbon's toast. Well, this little session of ours isn't going too great so far. Whatever. Still got one more rod. Oh, what did I do? Yeah, if you guys want a good pair of fingerless gloves, I ought to get these First Light ones. They're pretty freaking awesome. Hands don't get cold. Oh, that's a fish. That was a fish. Oh my god. Oh, I screwed it up. No freaking way. Oh, what? I wasn't ready. That looks like the bobber went down too. And there's a bunch of trout in there. Huh, my foot's getting way too cold, so I'm done. One more. There you go. Well, everybody, my foot feels like it's gonna fall off. I wore the wrong socks today, so we're not gonna be out here for very long when you do that. But tried, got some interesting bobber downs. Don't know if they're a fish. If you guys know if they were a fish or a stick or their bottom or whatever, let me know. I'm just learning this steelhead thing, so I don't know, we'll figure it out eventually. But got any tips, pointers, send them my way. And yeah, thanks for everybody for watching this. If you did, again, sorry, no fish. I'm just learning. And hit the subscribe button if you want to. Hit that like button if you liked it. And hit that like button because of how freaking cold it is out here. And I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to explore for fish.